Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. Today, I have found an hack so that I want to share it with you people. The usual steps, what I do is anything, any instrument, I see for the structure and then I see for the entry and then I will write the momentum. But what happens is if you are seeing the structure on the index that doesn't match with the option structure at all, then I used to think I used to miss the entry. Then I thought, why not I show you these hacks to you people? It can be done with my Nalini Precision Engine and as well as Nalini EMA indicator. Now I've applied, you can see over here, I've applied, I am on the 15 minutes chart of Nifty 50 index and I clearly see this is previous weekly high. When the price climbs above, yesterday it closed below the previous weekly high, and when it climbs above, it automatically turns green. Whereas in the opening bell, see here, let me go to the 24,400 call option. There is no structure. The structure what I get is only previous day's low. That's it. Previous day low, that too in the opening bell, it is breaching this. This is the previous day low. It is breaching and it is coming to 53.25. Then you get panic. That is the panic what big players do, and you will not be able to enter into the trade. Then I found out for the structure, previous weekly low also matters when compared to the call option as well as the put option. See here, in the call option, when the Nifty is showing positive structure, call option previous weekly low was at 44 rupees. 44.45. So you need to mark those levels. At the same time, when I go to 24,400 put option, the previous weekly low was at this level, 164. Let me mark it. You can see the price opening bell itself started falling. You can see the free fall, 145. The market also, instead of going into call option, you may enter into put option also, because the same same premium at the call option, same strike price, 24,400 call option is very, very cheap. 44 rupees 0.45. Not even comparable to this put option. Put option is 168 and it started closing below the previous day low. Notice here, the color had already changed previous day low, it had fallen there. When color had changed, you mark this level. This is an hack. This is previous day high. So the 190, it started falling and it started falling below the previous day low. Whereas this call option started rising above the previous day low. The put option was falling below the previous day low, and this was the hack which saves you. And so when I apply the Nalini Precision Engine, see, 1 minute, let me zoom it out so that you can see the clarity in this. The first 15 minute, I am on the 15 minute. Second 15 it was very violent. It has gone down. Whereas in the 24,400 put option, nothing has happened. Can you see there? Can you see there how volatility, how much they have done? And then it is sitting above the pivot. When you are on the 15 minutes time frame, when it turns black, that is neutral. Neutral, and you can see my Nalini precision engine is plotting morning pivot. Let me highlight that. Where is that? 1 minute, hold on. This is the Nalini morning pivot. Price is whatever may be. Price is stabilizing above the morning pivot, that is 81 rupees. So you can keep stop loss and you can ride it comfortably. Whereas in the 24,400 put option, let me put the Nalini precision engine. See, the price has fallen. The first 15-minute candle has fallen below the morning pivot. This is the morning pivot. Where is the question of entering into put option? And simultaneously, this is showing, Nifty is showing I'm enabling the Nalini precision engine. It is showing strength. Strength, it is also trading above in the first 15-minute candle itself, it is trading above the pivot. Whereas call option, this is the call option, it took time to trade above only in the second 15 minutes only, it stabilized. It started trading above so this is the, I can say, mad volatility. When the price goes down, you will panic and you will not be entering into this. That's how. I found this hack. This is the only hack we can make out in the difference between the finding the structure with the help of Nalini EMA indicator, and Nalini precision engine will support you once you identify the structure. It will support you for the entry as well as the finding the momentum. So you must remember finding the house, that is the structure, is very important. Whereas, see, that is the problem with the when we see on the underlying, the option premium behave in an entirely different way, so that they make you panic, they make you get confused, and they make you not to trade. Not to trade. In that panic, you will not enter into the proper trade at all. Here, with confirmation, you can enter into it. So try to see all these things when indices is giving proper signal. Today, indices Nifty was above the previous day's high, previous week's high, day's high, then it was a green signal. So green signal came in the same at the money call option, 24,400 call option, bit late. So it was a tilted actually. It was episode. Only this hack, this I found it. If you trade with a structure, if you trade with confirmation, and you will be sitting in the trade. See, entry, you got around 82. You can automatically mark the levels. S1, is around 57. The market penetrated below the S1 and closing inside. See how it opened here 91, came down to 53. My God, 30, more than 35 to 40 points down. If you would have entered into this candle, you would have got trapped. You would have, that's why you need to wait for the market to stabilize, and this is the only hack you can consider. So you can also find the hacks. So when you are finding the structure on the underlying, it should, in this way, it should match with the option premium. When it does like that, you can comfortably, it is a very good hack for an option writer. He could have written the put option long before. He could have written at 403 or something. He could have held it. See, it became 0. Within 2 days, it has become 0. 400, it has 0. 400 points. An option writer would have captured this. That is the beauty of my indicator. It is an indicator for option buying as well as for option writers too. People do mistake in writing the call option. Suppose if you go to the, let us go to the call option. Now the Nifty has closed around 24,576 call option. Then we will go to 24,500 call option. Let it be. Now, since it is the beginning of the series, 28. So it is, the structure is matching with the indices. You can see structure is, price is above the weekly high, and this call option, let me and hide it, this call option is also above the previous weekly high. 24,500 call option is matching. Let us check the same at the money put option, or we can go to 24,600 put option. You can see over here already the weekly low has turned yellow. They have sold it. It is below the previous day low. It is already 249. So there is no question of entering into the put option. So the put option has been sold. It becomes a very cakewalk for an option writer with the help of my Nalini Precision Engine. Let me show it to you. This is the Nalini Precision Engine, and this is, Nalini EMA indicator. Like this, you can trade better. I've shown you this hack. Utilize this. Whoever bought my indicator, they can utilize and take the benefit of it. If you want to subscribe to my indicators, they are paid indicators. You can WhatsApp me on this number 9845209600. If you WhatsApp me, you get all the detail why you have to. Others are taking benefit of my indicator. You can also mint money with the mint money means you can also take benefit of this indicator and utilize it. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.